Good morning, friends. This is Sonam Wangchuk connecting with you from Ladakh in the Indian Himalayas. Today is the beginning of my 21st day of climate fast on water and salt. It's clear skies here and temperatures have once again dipped to -10. You can see the glass here all frozen, and together with me in these conditions are a record 350 people sleeping hungry outdoors. We are trying to remind and awaken the conscience of our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, and our Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, to safeguard the fragile ecosystems of the Himalayan mountains in Ladakh and the unique indigenous tribal cultures that thrive here. We do not want to think of Modi ji and Amit Shah ji as just politicians. We would rather like to think of them as statesmen, but for that they'll have to show some character and farsightedness. This morning I was looking up the difference between statesmen and politicians, and this is what I found. A politician thinks of the next election. A statesman thinks of the next generation. There's another one that says, a statesman is a politician who places himself at the service of the nation. A politician is a statesman who places the nation at his service. I think it should say, a politician is a political person who places the nation at his service. And this is what Wikipedia says. Politicians are thought as people who will say or do anything to get elected or to gain power. A statesman is someone who does everything for the common good of the people he or she represents. We hope that our leaders will show some statesmanship and farsightedness when it comes to especially fragile zones like the Himalayas and Ladakh and other eco-sensitive zones within the country. Well, India is the mother of democracy. We citizens have a very special power. We are the kingmakers. We can compel a government to change their ways or change the government if that doesn't work. So let's remember to use our ballot power very carefully this time in the interest of the nation. That's all I have to say this time. Thank you very much. Jule, Namaskar, Salam, and Jai Hind.